Dear students, continuation of last video, we'll discuss comparison of acid strength between carboxylic acid and phenol. Okay, in organic chemistry, these both carboxylic acid and phenols are having acidic nature. Okay, we'll see which is more acidic and why. Okay, here I am discussing carboxylic acid. Here I am taking carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid lose the carboxylic acid lose the H plus ion and forms carboxylate ion, or carboxylic acid donate the H plus ion and form carboxylate ion and exhibit the acidic nature. Okay, here I am taking phenol. Benzene with OH group we called as phenol. Already we know about this one. It also lose the 1 H plus ion. And form the phenoxide ion. Instead of this, I'm writing like this: phenoxide ion. Okay, phenoxide ion and exhibit the acidic strength. Phenoxide ion, resonance stabilized. Carboxylate ion, this is carboxylate ion. This is also resonance stabilized. Phenoxide ion, resonance stabilized. Carboxylate ion, both are resonance stabilized. Which is more stable? Then the acidic strength of phenol and carboxylic acid depends on stability of carboxylate ion and phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. Here we will see the resonance structures of carboxylate ion. Resonance of carboxylate ion. And here resonance of phenoxide ion. Resonance of carboxylate ion. Here I am taking carboxylate ion. This is the resonance structure 1. Okay, here oxygen has lone pair. Oxygen has negative charge. This negative charge conjugation with the double bond. Okay, that means this negative charge and double bond separated with one sigma bond. Then these negative charged electrons are transferred towards carbon. Then carbon oxygen double bond electrons are transferred towards oxygen. What happened? Then R O minus double bond O. Resonance structure 2. Okay, here see both the resonance structures are same. These are we called as similar resonance structures, symmetrical resonance structures. Okay, equal resonance structures. Important point is equal resonance structures. That means carboxylate ion forms equal resonance structures. Okay, equal resonance structures. And one more thing, the negative charge dispersed in highly electronegative oxygen atom, and dispersed in 2 oxygen atoms. Delocalized on 2 oxygen atoms. This gives the less effective electronegativity. Then it lose H plus ion fastly. This gives more strength of that, more acidic strength of particular carboxylic acid. Okay, then these 2 important points. Then see the resonance in phenoxide ion. Okay, here phenoxide ion. Okay, in this phenoxide ion, oxygen attached to the less electronegative sp2 hybridized carbon. Here in carboxylic acid, in carboxylic acid also sp2 hybridized carbon, but Here conjugation is there, more conjugation is there, here less conjugation is there. Okay, here it is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon and it involves in resonance. Here electrons are transferred towards carbon, then these electrons are transferred towards next carbon atom. Here double bond, here we'll get the negative, here bond, here bond. Okay, it also involves in resonance. What happened? These electrons are transferred towards meta position, these electrons transferred towards para position. Okay, double bond. And here these electrons transfer towards another meta position, these electrons transfer towards ortho position and forms one more resonance structure. Okay, here this is the resonance structure 1, resonance structure 2, resonance structure 3. It forms 3 resonance structures, but these all are unequal resonance structures. Okay, here important point is it forms unequal resonance structures. And here negative charge dispersed on only one oxygen atom. This gives the less acidic strength. This gives the less acidic strength. Here negative charge delocalized. No delocalization, it is present in. Okay, no delocalization. The negative charge is present on only oxygen atom, one oxygen atom. One oxygen atom. It gives the less acidic strength, here it gives the more acidic strength. Okay, phenoxide ion is less stable than carboxylate, or carboxylate ion is more stable than phenoxide. Due to only 2 reasons, carboxylate ion forms equivalent resonance structure, phenoxide ion forms unequal resonance structures. Okay, in carboxylate ion, negative charged oxygen dispersed on 2 oxygen atom, then it gives the more acidic strength. Okay, in phenoxide ion, negative charge dispersed on only one oxygen atom, it gives less acidic strength. Due to these 2 reasons, phenoxide ion is less stable than carboxylate ion. So, carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. This is the one important concept present in carboxylic acids. Okay, this is about the chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Okay, in continuation we'll see the one small topic, uses of carboxylic acids. Various carboxylic acids are there. One is formic acid. Formic acid mainly used in rubber industry. We call it as methanoic acid. Acetic acid, ethanoic acid. It is used in the food industry as a vinegar. Okay, here hexane dioic acid used in the preparation of nylon 6,6 polymer. Nylon 6,6 polymer and nylon 6 polymers, nylon 6,10, nylon 6,4 polymers. And here sodium benzoate used as a preservative. Okay, food preservative. It is used as a food preservative. Sodium benzoate is used as a food preservative. Okay, and so many carboxylic acids used as solvents in organic chemistry. Used as solvents in organic chemistry. Okay, this is about the important discussion of the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. This is the biggest chapter in organic chemistry and important chapter in organic chemistry. Okay, nearly 10 marks will come from this chapter. Okay, this is the fourth chapter in total syllabus, 3 chapters in third chapter in organic chemistry. In next video or next class we'll discuss amines and preparation of amines, properties of amines, IUPAC nomenclature of amines. Thank you.